get $50 left for anybody who overseas back.
Okay. Yeah, if you give me spam.
50K? Who bring container? Who post spam?
What? Phone card? Phone card? Apostle will hear of this. What?
What's that? My 50K!
You know you can be prosecuted for that. Jesus!
Oh,